What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Mezzocaleb, and welcome back to another banger video. Today we are going to be doing our first nighttime POV drives after the car warms up, gets up to temp, get everything nice and warmed up, and then we're gonna find some open flat space on the freeway. It is currently 1 a.m. and this is my penthouse in Mexico. So we're gonna be doing some 60 to 130 tests, and we are gonna get active, real active today. So I just wanted to see if a drag pack makes a difference on my 10-speed 5.0. Let me see where the temps are. And I didn't even put my fucking TPMS sensors in my rear wheels. I don't know why I did that shit. I don't know. I'm tripping. But yeah, man, we're gonna cruise around, let the car warm up, turn off this AC real quick. Right, as we leave the neighborhood, we're gonna put the car in quiet mode. Let me see. There we go. Oh yeah. Let's get up out of here real quick. Ooh. So we can throw this bad boy in quiet mode. Not gonna lie. Just as we, there we go. So you can't hear nothing. I don't know if y'all can hear it, man. We still stock, so you can't really tell. Only I can tell. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave the little Mexico penthouse real quick. All right, here we go, baby. We is active. We is out on the road. I just opened up exhaust. It's Sirski. And let's see. A lot of people didn't want to come out tonight because they said it was wet. I see a little bit of water spots, but on the main roadways, it really, honestly, after 6 hours, it rained. It should be dry. I'm gonna be honest. And we just gonna test it out. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all right here just so y'all can hear. Hold on, here we go. Just a little baby pool. I stayed in the middle just in case we spun, just so I can figure out which way I'm going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she sound good. She sound good. Let me make sure I can see y'all. Y'all see me? See y'all? See y'all? Me? See me? See me? Stupid ass. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Downshifts. Let me see. Ooh. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, I'm gonna lock this bad boy in manual. Damn. One thing I will say, hold on, let me roll the windows up for y'all. One thing I will say that I enjoy about driving the 10-speed is just rolling through gears. Like 6th gear just already there. Like, you know what I'm saying? Most people could never, you know. We just in 6th gear, we had 3,000 RPM. That's high as hell. Let me just go ahead and put it in 9th. You know what I'm saying? Save gas. Feel me? Oh yeah, get active, okay. Rice bucket ass boy. I really love just rolling through the gears. That is like everything for me. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like that shit does wonders. It does wonders. And just feeling the actual power of the shifts in the 10-speed is insane. Like once you slap this bad boy in drag strip mode, it really wakes it up. It really does. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do a couple pulls for y'all, and we just gonna do what it do. All right, y'all, so we got a little bit more space right here, and there's actually more cars on the freeway than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. Like, real talk, I did not expect it to be this many people on the road at freaking 1 a.m. Like, good lord. And you got people driving crazy. Like, this dude finna, man, look, he just shoom, you know what I'm saying? He fucking Nissan Rogue spelling that. And this dude behind me, Chrysler 300, that's a 300C. Big body, god damn. We're not even gonna be in nothing too crazy. We got a little 3rd gear. Woo! And it's simple. It's simple. I gotta drop down to like 40 miles per hour in order to do a 40 roll, if I'm being honest with y'all. Let me see. Hit that hoe like 50. Nah, we gonna do a 60. Woo! Woo! on the drag pack, all around it's a lighter wheel setup, and you can really feel it. Like those 20s weigh 36 or 37 pounds a piece. These on the back weigh 26 pounds. So you can tell in 10 pounds of rotational weight as a whole is you're gonna feel it. Like you're really gonna feel it. And then like I said, I fucked up putting 315s on it thinking that it would be okay. Not thinking, I completely forgot about weight. And I was like, damn, my shit is slow, because nigga, I ran with a scat. Come on now, like I was running with a scat. Even though the scat was headers and no tune or whatever, like that should not happen at all. Like that's a big no-no. So I don't know, man. But like I said, with the pack on, just that in itself with a good tire, it does this car fucking wonders. Literally fucking wonders. Like it feels literally effortless. Like I can get up to high speeds so quick in this car with the tire, the wheel and tire setup, like as a whole. I'm gonna just call it the pack. With the pack on, yeah man, we get active. It does what it needs to do. I just want to make sure we can do these pulls as safe as possible. You know how that should go. So look, I'm gonna tell you like this. I felt like I didn't have any kind of space on the spot that I was at, so I pulled literally onto this freeway, which is a split here and a split here. Literally, I'm in the middle. This is like the merge area. So look, I pulled right here because it's nothing but open space. Y'all are about to see. We're gonna throw that bad boy back in drag strip mode, turn traction control off, and we're gonna try and run this. So let me show y'all where we at. Let's see. And look how much open space we got. So we're gonna pull all the way over, and I want to see if we can do what it do. That felt good. Ooh-wee. Oh my God. I like that. I like that. We got open space and we hooking. We kind of spun. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, we are moving. Car feels great. No cap. Let me go ahead and let this guy go. I think that is probably gonna end this video out. Not gonna lie. Thank y'all so much for watching this video by doing these hard pulls in this nighttime POV drive. It's your boy Mezzocaleb, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Yeet!
Yeah, I'm stuck in my ways, got me in the days, trying to kill the next